So we got this situation. Sum of binomial coefficient, odd binomial coefficient, even binomial coefficient. So we have to find out sum of binomial coefficient, then odd binomial coefficient, and then even binomial coefficient. So look at this, how we will proceed. Can we take help of 1 plus x power n? So it is nc0 x power 0, nc1 x power 1, nc2 x power 2, nc3 x power 3, nc4 x power 4, so on till ncn x power n. If you are not comfortable here, you can take x plus y power n, but the idea will remain the same. Okay, now look at this. Suppose that we are interested in finding sum of binomial coefficient, means we have to do anything to remove these x. Okay, so you also know that we cannot take x as 0. Okay, because if I will take x as 0, it will create problem for other binomial coefficients as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will take x as 1. So what will happen with the LHS? So it will become 1 plus 1, 2, 2 power n. And then here we will have NC0, NC1, NC2, NC3, NC4, NC5, NCn. So the sum of all binomial coefficient is 2 power n. Okay, now suppose that we guys are interested in finding odd binomial coefficient or even binomial coefficient. So what I will do, like from this equation I will assume x to be minus 1. Why? Because if I'll take x as minus 1, this is having odd power, so it will become minus. It is having even power, so it will become plus. It will have odd power, it will become minus. It is having even power, so it will become plus. Okay, and things will keep on going. So but LHS will become 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 power n is 0. So LHS is 0. Now we have, I will be writing even lower subscript first. So coefficient of even lower subscript would be positive. So NC0, then plus of NC2, then plus of NC4, then plus of NC6, and things will keep on going. Okay, now I'll be writing the odd lower subscript. Odd is NC1, NC3, NC5, and so on. Correct? So can I keep even lower subscript on one side and odd lower subscript on other side? So can we say that NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 plus dot 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 is equal to NC0, NC2, NC4 dot dot dot? So can I say that sum of even lower subscript and sum of odd lower subscript will become equal? Correct? So look at this. This is combination of sum of even lower subscript as well as sum of odd lower subscript. Correct? And you know that the sum is equal. So can I assume that sum of even lower subscript is equal to sum of odd lower subscript and it is equal to x? So can I update this equation as 2 power n is equal to x plus x? So 2x is equal to 2 power n, and hence x will be equal to 2 power n minus 1. Okay, so we got sum of odd lower subscript as 2 power n minus 1, sum of even lower subscript as 2 power n minus 1, sum of binomial coefficient as 2 power n. Okay, I hope the idea is clear.